In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the calendar time zone in GoHighLevel. Let's get started by making sure you're logged into your GoHighLevel account. Head over to your dashboard and choose the sub-account you want to edit. Remember, each sub-account is set to its own time zone, so it's crucial to verify that you're working within the right one. Next, from the left sidebar, you'll want to click on Settings, which you'll find in the bottom left corner of your screen. This will open up a section with several options, including business info. Here you can find details like your business name, address, and most importantly, the time zone dropdown. This is where you can select the correct time zone for your sub-account. Simply click on the dropdown and choose the time zone you need, whether it's Asia, Manila, America, Chicago, or Australia to Sydney. Make sure to click Save at the bottom of the page to apply your changes. Updating the time zone here sets the default time for all calendars, appointments, automated reminders, and workflows within this particular sub-account. It ensures that everything stays synchronized and consistent. If you happen to manage multiple calendars with different time zones, such as for separate teams or regions, you can adjust their settings individually. Go back into Settings and click on Calendars. Locate the calendar you want to adjust and click on the Edit icon, which looks like a pencil. Under the Availability tab, you'll find an option to adjust the time zone. Select the appropriate time zone from the drop-down list and don't forget to click Save. This allows each calendar to operate independently, which is especially helpful if you're coordinating across multiple regions. Now it's a good idea to verify these changes on your booking page. Navigate to Sites, then Funnels, and select the funnel where your calendar is embedded. Click on Preview to view your booking page. You should see the updated times reflecting your newly set time zone. If you encounter any issues, a quick browser cache clear or a page refresh usually does the trick. For added flexibility, team members can have their own personal time zones. In Settings, navigate to My Staff, click on a team member's name, and you'll find a time zone field under Calendar Configuration where you can specify their preferred time zone. Hit Save User, ensuring bookings and schedules align with their local time. Finally, let's test it all out. Book a test appointment through your funnel or booking link. Verify the time confirmation email and check that the calendar event in your linked Outlook or Google Calendar reflects the changes. This will confirm that everything is functioning as expected within your new time zone settings. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily manage and adjust time zones within GoHighLevel, ensuring seamless coordination across all your business activities. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling.